Welcome to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In this video, we will learn how to create a dynamic grid view that supports AJAX-based sorting, paging, and live data refresh. Using AJAX with grid view makes your app more responsive. Paging, sorting, and refreshing happen instantly without flickering or full reloads. We will use this simple products table to display data in the grid view and enable sorting and paging with the AJAX. Here we wrap the grid view inside an update panel. This ensures paging and sorting happen using AJAX, avoiding full postbacks. This method fetches products from the database, applies sorting, and sets the correct page index before binding the data. These event handlers take care of sorting and paging. They rebind the grid view with the new parameters and trigger partial updates. You can add a refresh button to manually reload the grid view data using AJAX. It stays within the update panel, so there is no full reload. Add a timer control to refresh the grid view every few seconds. This is useful for dashboards that require real-time updates. To enhance the UI, apply Bootstrap or custom styles to your grid view. This makes your AJAX interface clean and modern. Ensure the grid view is inside an update panel. Also, handle sort and page events properly, or you will face blank or stuck grids. AJAX Grid View gives you the best of both worlds, a powerful data control with dynamic, modern interactivity. Coming next, we will show you how to edit grid view records inside a model pop-up using AJAX and confirm deletions without reloading the page. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more videos.